Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, which is the second part of the publication about publication of your article, in this video I'll be talking about using various websites and how do we find a journal for my work to be published, and what and all are the basic requirements that you should be knowing. I've already made a video which is the part 1 and the basic requirements that you should be knowing. I'll give the link in the description. Please do go watch that video before watching this video for those who haven't watched it, because there's some basic terminologies are there. So when I'm just saying you here, I will just say you impact factor, open access, golden access, hybrid journal, transformative journal, APC, article processing charges, time for the first decision, all these things terminologies I'll be saying you. So for all this explanation is there in the part 1. So please do go watch that and then do watch this video for the better understanding. So now without much delay, we will move on to the second part of the video, where I'll be showing you live demonstration. I'll be giving you how to search a journal for your work. How do I select a journal for my publication? So one important thing that I will suggest you all is, when you are writing your article, you will refer many articles, like 40-50 articles you will refer for introduction, for typing the methodologies, for typing the discussion portion. You will refer some 100 articles at least you have to refer. Then note down the journal of that article which you are referring. If it is of similar lines, you can go to the same journal itself. So if you're referring some 100 articles, out of 100 articles, you can make sure that some 15 to 20 journals will be, you can choose there itself. So because such articles are published in that journal, there are high chances that even your article might be published. So when you are making review of literature itself, when you're writing a paper itself, write down the journal name and its publication, all the details. You can write it down in one book or in some Excel file. You can put it and keep it. Later, tomorrow, when you're publishing, you don't have to search for journals. You can directly go to that, select a list, and you can directly send it for publication. That is one method. Another method, there are certain softwares where it will predict your journal. They are called as journal predictors. If you want to publish your work in Scopus journal, then go for Google search, type Scopus journal predictor. Then it will ask you some details: the title of your paper, the abstract of your paper, the keywords of your paper, and what the topics of your paper. If you select all these things, they will give you a list. They'll give you some 15-20 journals from high level to low level. They will give you. You can choose whichever journal you want to. For that, you need this detail. So I will just show you once. So I'll go for Scopus index now, and I will show you. So go to this Google. So like this, you can go to Google and type Scopus. So you can find, as I'm typing, Scopus index journal list is also coming for 2021. So you can search for that also. So Scopus journal predictor. Journal predictor. If you go, see Scopus journal analyzer, it came. So I will open that. There are some free things where you don't have to sign in and all. So find journals. Yeah, Springer journal, or you can go for Elsevier journal. Okay, see, one example I'll give you with Springer journal. If I want to publish my work in Springer work, so I will go for Springer journal suggester. They will ask me the manuscript title. So I have already opened some file. I will just copy that file title from there and paste it over here. Manuscript title I have done. Manuscript text, they will ask you. You can just put the abstract itself. That itself is fine. So you go to abstract, copy your abstract, and you can paste it over there. So I'm pasting the abstract. Subject area. So whether it is biology or botany, so whatever it is, earth science, computer science. So based on that, you have to select. So mine is life science. I'm just life sciences, and suggest journals. See, you got the journals, that is, you can either publish in plant, cell, tissue, organ culture, which will take impact factor is 2.1. I said you what is impact factor. The first decision they require 40 days to just inform you whether it is accepted or rejected, and the acceptance rate is 28%. If 100 articles are being sent, only 28 articles gets accepted over there. So Vegetos is another journal. Physiology and molecular biology of plants, 16% is the rate. So like this, there are so much, you can scroll down and see. Like this, you can see so much journals they are given you. This is one thing that you can search like this. Or if you want to refine my recommendations, if I want to get published within sooner days, within a month, so I can go here, I can put this minimum impact factor. I want my journal, my work is very high journal, it's of very high quality, so I'll put minimum impact factors as 1. And minimum acceptance rate, I wanted to acceptance rate should be 50%. So maximum time for first decision, they should say of within 100 days. So like that, I can say whether I want open access or subscription journals. If I want subscription journals, and then I will do suggest journals. So like that, it will come. See, 53% acceptance, 52%, 61 acceptance. So there are certain journals like that also. So I can refine my recommendations. If I want to be published in lesser impact factor, I'll go to 0.1. I will go. Minimum acceptance rate should be 80%. I will say maximum time for first decision I wanted within 30 days. So if there are some journals, it will come, or else they'll say there are no journals. See, there is no journals within that will give me these things. So this is one method using Springer Journal Suggester. You can go. There is another where you can go use Elsevier. That is also similar. Elsevier Journal Finder. Elsevier Journal Finder. I can go like this. And again here I have to paste the title and abstract. Enter your paper abstract and my paper title and keywords also. They will ask some websites will ask you keywords. Yeah, here they're asking keywords. So from here keywords, I can copy these keywords and I can paste it over here. And again, I have to give my field of research, whether it is agricultural or biological sciences or environmental science. So based on that, I will give field of research, more than one also you can give. And I will give for, see here they're given two options. Journals that offer gold and open access, where you have to pay, the author have to pay, it is open for everyone else. And journals with subscription. So whichever you want, I want journals with subscription where it will be free for me as an author, it will be free. And then I can choose here whether the impact factor should be more than 10, or if it is less than 10 is also fine. And time for first decision 52 plus days, or 30 weeks, 20 weeks I want. And time to publication, lesser time I want, like that. I find journals I can give. So they will give me the list of journals will be there. So Journal of Applied Research on Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, Industrial Crops and Products, South African Journal of Botany. So like this, there are phytochemistry letters. There are lots of journals will be mentioned over there. So I can publish in that journal. So again, it is, see, it is given there. Cite score is 6.7. That means your paper, there are an average chances that it might get cited for 6.7 times. Impact factor is 4.6. Very good journal it is. Acceptance rate is 20%. So out of 100 articles, only 20 articles are getting accepted. And time for decision will be just 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, you will get the first decision. So that is about food and chemical toxicology. Like this also you can find. If you don't want both Springer or Elsevier, there is another method I will teach you where you can publish, you can search, that is called as Jane Journal Finder. Jane Journal Finder. Yes. So Jane Finder. So here what you can do, here I have to, my title or abstract I will put over here again. I will put my abstract. And I will give find journals. So here you can find similar articles also regarding your work. You can find, see, plant signaling and behavior is one journal where like that such articles are also published over there. So they will give you again natural product research, plants, International Journal of Food Science. So they will mention here whether it is open access or like that they will mention. Here they will not mention whether it is Springer Journal or Elsevier Journal. They will give you journals from all. You have to go to that journal website and then you have to search. That is also one of the things that you should find out. So you have to, for example, plant signaling and behavior, I have to go to that particular journal website and see whether what is the impact factor, what is the site score, all those things I have to see. That is one thing that I want you people to know. So friends, I hope this video was very beneficial to you all. So if you really like this content of video, do give a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel for more such biology related or research related videos, and do post valuable comments for me in the comment section. Thank you.